Rise and shine, porcupine.
Good nap.
Good nap. The rain quit. Let's go kill a turkey.
That it back to you.
Anybody that watches Heartland Bowhunter knows how much I love to hunt with my father and my daughter. You know, it's not often that I get the opportunity to hunt with them both at the same time. So when that opportunity presents itself, I always jump at the chance.
Actually the same farm that I got my first turkey with my bow last year. And so we're hoping that maybe the bird that was with him last year or any other toms come out and visit us this morning. Dad actually already heard one come down over to the east of us and heard him gobble. So that's a good sign.
Man, this was one of those hunts where it was so exciting, but yet so frustrating all at the same time. These three big gobblers come in, we thought just perfect, and we're working great. And right when they got right to the edge of where my daughter could shoot, they all drifted back just out where she couldn't see them. But of course, my camera angle was perfect.
Get stuff out of there. Oh, there's 3 toms and a couple jakes coming. Oh, we gotta hurry. Get your bow ready, sis.
Having a good shot?
Yeah, look at God. Could you believe that? You finished them.
One of them finished.
That was seriously an amazing shot. That was not an easy shot at a bird moving like that.
Absolutely awesome
I was
shot.
like, so Dad was up on the field because we were about ready to give up, and I guess he saw. What'd you see? The two jakes first and the hen, and so he's like, oh well. Even after seeing the two jakes, he was like, well, might as well just go get the truck, and then he sees them look over at the three toms that he didn't see them yet, but sees them look over there, and those jakes start running towards the toms, I guess. And they just are all fighting and chasing each other back and forth. So Dad calls one time, and he's still up like on the edge of the field, calls one time, and those turkeys, I guess, threw their heads up and started charging towards Dad. And I look up, and I just see Dad sprinting through the woods down towards us, and I was like, oh, he's coming fast. I was like, that's Dad. He sees something, and he gets in here, and he is just completely out of breath. And as soon as he catches his breath starting to tell us what he saw or what was happening, we could see all 6 of those birds coming right down towards us, just like all running, and it was awesome.
Down that road?
Yeah.
One
Literally.
more call. There was like one call, and once they called one more time, they just come right in.
Yeah.
He looks like his feathers have been a little ruffled.
I know. I was thinking about that when
Looks like he's been beat up bad. They jumped him. They literally plowed him. They beat him up for about 5 minutes.
Look at that.
Good 2-year-old.
Was that second one with a bow?
Yep, number 2.
From sleeping to picking up her bird. That's how fast it went. And actually, we thought Ty was a cow.
Yeah. It was quite the morning.
Yeah.
Fastest cow you ever seen.
I'll tell you what, he could bob and weave coming down through the woods. That was.
All right, well, let's grab him and get out of here.
Without a doubt, my favorite part of this hunt was being in the blind with my father and daughter when she makes such a great shot on this big old gobbler. You know, getting to share in this excitement with 3 generations and seeing the excitement in all of our eyes just makes me so grateful for opportunities like this.